If you run a small business, a cafe, a salon, a boutique, anything, you already know the design struggle. You either pay someone else every time you need a flyer made, or you spend hours in Canva trying to make something that doesn't look cheap, and it is exhausting. So today, I'm gonna show you the tool I've been using that has genuinely changed how I think about this, and it's called Kittl. And it was actually built for business owners like you, not just designers. And I'm gonna walk you through the whole thing from scratch, so let me show you how it works. So let's just get into it. This is Kittl. When you first land on it, the first thing you will notice right away is the templates. And these are not basic Canva layouts. These are actually well designed. There are thousands of them covering menus, flyers, loyalty cards, event poster, social graphics, business card, packaging, basically everything a physical business actually needs. And I'm gonna build out a full cafe brand today to show you how this works end to end. So let me pull up a menu template to start. See how this already looks premium? Good typography, strong layout, and this is just the starting point. We're gonna make it ours. Before we go further, I wanna show you the typography tools because this is honestly one of the biggest things that sets Kittl apart. For a physical business, your typography is your brand. It's what makes your signage look like a real brand versus a printed Word doc. And Kittl lets you do things with text that you just can't do on Canva. Curved text, warp text, custom shadows, layer effects, all of it. Okay, so watch this. I'm gonna take this design here and I'm gonna make it my own. So I'm gonna call it cafecito, which means coffee in Spanish. And I'm gonna go ahead and change the font size and make it a little bit smaller so it could fit properly here. And what's nice about Kittl is that with the typography tools, there's so many changes that you can make right in one tool. So for instance, I could come over here on my right-hand side and I could change the color of my logo if I want to. I could pick any color I want. I could also upload my hex numbers, and I could also have project colors down here if I have any of them as well. Now, the second thing that I could do is I could go a little bit more down and I could change my text style. So I could change my font. And Kittl has a huge selection of fonts and they have a lot of cute ones, as you can see. So they have a huge selection to pick from. I'm going to go ahead and stick with the one that we currently have because I do like it. Now, if you keep scrolling down, you're going to be able to see that down here, you're able to change the text size. If it gives you the option to change from light, regular, or bold, you'll have the option here depending on the font that you have. And if you scroll a little bit more down to transformation, this is where you're able to go ahead and add like that curve effect to your logo. So they have a lot of different ones here that you could pick from, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and do the custom one. And from here, I'm able to go ahead and play around with this and make it as custom as I want, as you can see. And it's pretty neat to be able to control it this much. It's pretty cool. I like it like that. And then if you scroll a little bit more down, we have the text shadow. This is where you're able to go ahead and pick different shadow types. They have the drop shadow, they have a line shadow, they have a block shadow, and then they also have a detailed 3D shadow. I'm going to go ahead and do the black shadow. If you want to change the color, feel free to do so. If you want to change the offset of the shadow or the angle of the shadow, you're able to play around here to do so as well. And then lastly, we have text decoration. So if you click down here, you're able to change the text and add horizontal lines if you want, color cut. You can also do oblique lines, and you can also do fading color cut. I actually like the color cut, the second one, so I'm going to stick with that one. If you want to change the color, you're able to do so as well. And then it also lets you control the distance of the actual color cut. Now, once you're happy with this, look at how great that looks. I mean, there's nothing else you need to do. Obviously, you could make additional changes if you want, but that right there, right, will cost you money at a design agency. Here it took me about 45 seconds. And when you get it right, your menu, your sign, your IG post, they all carry the same look. And that's what makes a business feel like it has a brand. Okay, so this is the part that I really want to show you. This feature is called Kittl Flows, and it's kind of wild. The idea is simple. Instead of designing one thing at a time, you start with the design direction, and Flows generates a whole set of brand consistent assets in one session. Flyers, social media posts, story graphics, menu inserts, all matching, all on brand. So here's how it works for our cafe. All right, so before I show you my example of the brand that I'm building, I want to show you where to find Kittl Flows. So if you go to templates right here on your left-hand side and you scroll down, eventually you will find Kittl Flows. If you click on show all, it's going to show you all the different templates that they currently have, and they have a huge selection to pick from. So go ahead and pick the one that best works for your products. The one that I'm working on is this one right here. It says brand builder. There's a whole bunch of them as well, just in case. Now, once you have selected a template, this is how it's going to look like. This is the setup here. And this is all of the stuff that you could do in one setting, which is really impressive. And this is why I love Kittl Flows. Now from here, what you're going to do is you're going to start with your actual design logo. So you're going to go ahead and either upload the logo that you just designed. Maybe you already have a logo. So I'm going to use the one that I designed with you guys. And I'm going to go ahead and upload it in here as my example. So I'm going to make sure that it fits in the frame properly, that everything looks good. Let's say that I like it like that and everything looks good. Maybe move this a little bit more up. Once you're happy with it and it's formatted correctly, the only thing that you really need to do is that you're going to go ahead and click on each image and you're going to say regenerate. This is all you will be doing. Essentially what this is going to do is going to go ahead and take your logo and put it in all of these images here. It's that simple. You don't have to create the prompt because the prompt is already made for you. So all essentially you're doing is clicking on regenerate. So let's give it a few seconds here. All right, and these are the images that it generated. As you can see, they turned out pretty great. So we have a lot of images that I could use for social media, that I could use for my Etsy listing or anywhere else that I actually promote and sell my products. And they all look pretty great. Now, the next step would be to head over here where it has the design pouch. Again, from here, you will go ahead and upload your design. I have mine here. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my logo just to keep it all cohesive. And make sure you format it, change anything that you need to change from the elements to the colors to the background color. Once you're happy with this, again, all you're going to do is click on regenerate. Again, you would click on regenerate and it's going to go ahead and add your design to the actual design pouches here, 1 and 2. All right, so as you can see, it generated the actual pouches. And they both look pretty remarkable. Now, the last step is to go ahead and create your frame. Again, it's the same process where you would go ahead and upload your actual logo, make sure that it fits in within the frame, do any changes that you need to make. Once you're happy, go ahead and click on regenerate. Oh my God, look, it created the actual sign and it looks pretty amazing. Look at that. We have a full brand kit. So we have the logo, we have the cups, we have the staff, as you can see. We have the pouches here. We also have the menu. What used to take multiple, rounds with a designer now takes one afternoon, if not within minutes, just like I did within one tool without having to use multiple tools. This is pretty amazing. Now, here's something most people don't know. Kittl can do video. And once you got your design, you could attach an AI board, write a short prompt, and Kittl generates an animated clip from it. We're talking Instagram Reels, TikToks, Facebook posts, all from the same canvas you just designed in. No CapCut, no Premiere, no separate app. So for our cafe example, what I could do is I could scroll over and I could go ahead and click right here where it says AI video board and add that there. And what I could essentially do is take this image here and turn it into an actual video. And I could size it here depending on the size. I'm going to make it vertical so I could use it for like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, etc. And from here, you could describe what you want it to do. So I could say something like rotate around the sign, right? And then I could click on generate. And let's give it a few seconds here. And look at how cool that is, right? This is perfect for a daily special, a new menu drop, a seasonal announcement that you might have. You're not starting over in a new tool. It's all right here in the same flow. And look at how simple that was. And it looks pretty amazing, if I have to say so. All right, so you got your designs. Now what? This is where Kittl really saves you from a headache. When you export, you get high resolution PNG or True Vector SVG files. That means you can hand these straight to any local printer and they will work. No resolution problems, no font issues, no sending it back to a designer to fix. It just works. And on the license side, everything you make on a paid plan comes with a full commercial license. Use it on your menus, signage, packaging, merch, paid ads, no per use fees. So if you ever dealt with Canva's confusing licensing, you know what a relief that is. So to recap, Kittl gives you professional templates actually built for physical businesses, typography tools that make your brand look custom, flows to build out a full campaign in one session, built-in video for social content, and print-ready experts that go straight to your printer, all in one tool. If you run a business and you're still piecing things together between Canva, a designer, and CapCut, this is worth trying out. Use code Nancy25 to get 25% off, or you can try it for free at the link below. I will put everything in the description. And if this was helpful, subscribe. I cover tools and strategies for small business owners and print-on-demand sellers all the time. I will see you in the next one.